Hey, Alexus, Love Beauties and Flawless Man. Welcome back to another podcast episode. I am going to keep this short, sweet, simple, straight to the point for beginners so we can understand it and there is no confusion. The easiest way that we can build faith is by setting a goal that seems impossible, by thinking outside of the box and believing that we can reach that goal. Say you set a goal that you want to have a yacht one day, but you know right now you're only working a 9 to 5, but we're following the laws that the Lord told us to. So you are writing the vision, making it plain. You're also getting that wisdom from God, because maybe God don't want you to have a yacht. Maybe he wants you to have, an Air Force One. I'm not 100% sure, but you write that goal down. You let the Lord know the desires of your heart, and then you're still working your regular job and different things like that. But now you have installed a different type of thought into your subconscious. Now you're thinking about, what do I need to do legally to get this yacht? You know you can't do this alone. So the Lord is our business partner, and you're getting this wisdom from God. You're asking God to plan because you thought so far. You thought outside the box so far to even think that I want a yacht one day and nobody around me have yachts. You're not going to be able to get that yacht alone. And this is where we begin to stray away and feel like we don't need God anymore, because we got that thought outside the box and we think we can do it alone. You're going to need the plan, the wisdom, the guidance, the leadership and direction of God on how to actually get to that yacht. That's how faith works. You set a high goal that seems impossible to reach, because God does the impossible. So you want to think outside of the box to where you allow God to do the impossible, but then it's working on your faith, because you didn't even know you can believe that far off to say, I believe I can have a yacht, because everybody around you is driving cars. Alexus, Love Beauties and Flawless Man. For beginners, the easiest way to build your faith in God. Now pick this up now. This whole topic is just not about faith in God, right? It was an example. The easiest way to build your faith is to set a goal or an intention that seems high to reach, and then you begin to build faith off of that. Now, this can go a few different ways. I want you to use the faith building example in the relationship with God. That way you have faith in him, and all of these other material things will come. So I don't want to get that a little mixed up or anything. But when you set goals that seem impossible to reach, you get with the one man that can do it all, and it becomes possible. And then that is when you build your faith.